This beef stew is pure comfort in a bowl. It would be great for any like Sunday night dinner, but it is one of my favorite holiday meals for Christmas. Today we're starting with 2 pounds beef chuck roast, okay? This is boneless beef. You could also buy it already cut up in like 2-inch cubes of stew meat, but today I got the whole one. It looks beautiful. I can't wait to cook it. This recipe starts with 2 pounds of beef chuck roast cut into 2-inch pieces. You could buy them pre-cut. You want to dry them with paper towel and then massage them with a little olive oil, garlic salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Heat up your Dutch oven on high heat and melt 2 tablespoons of butter once it's sizzling. Add in the beef. You can work in 2 rounds so you don't overcrowd the pot. You want the pieces to brown a little bit, but they don't have to cook all the way through. You just want to give them a little flavor on the outside. Take the beef, once it's done cooking, out of the pot. Then in the same pot, you want to toss in diced onion and carrot chunks. Keep the heat on medium high and stir for a few minutes. Then add in some minced garlic, a teaspoon of dried Italian seasoning, some fresh thyme, and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Stir this for a couple minutes. It's going to smell absolutely delicious in your kitchen. For this recipe, you want to use half a cup of dry red wine. So here I'm using a Chianti that I love how it tastes. So then I know that I'm also going to like it when it's cooked in the food. And stir and scrape up the caramelized bits from the bottom as it cooks. Then you want to sprinkle in some flour. Let it disappear into the mix for a couple minutes. Then add in some beef stock. Raise the heat, stir until the stock starts to thicken and bubble. Add your cooked beef back into the pot. Also add some diced up potatoes. They're going to cook in there beautifully. And throw in a bay leaf just for some flavor. And then it's time to pop it in the oven for about 90 minutes to 2 hours. You'll know it's done when the beef is very easy to just pull apart, super tender. So this is a great one-pot Christmas dinner or any sort of weeknight or weekend meal when you have a little bit more time to cook. It's not completely all hands-on time, but it is a more luxurious, drawn-out recipe that you can really enjoy making and eating. I have a bunch of other Christmas cooking ideas coming up for you here on SipBiteGo. Chat soon.